แล้วก็ตัวที่มันอวบๆเพราะว่าแสดงให้เห็นถึงความอุดมสมบูรณ์และความเจริญก้าวหน้าของ
Okay, so we're coming up on our next stop. This is Wat Thana Boat. They have some food and stuff like that set up for you to get right here along the riverbank. Now, I've been to this temple before. This is Wat Thana Boat, and it's a Thonburi era temple that they moved from another location to over here. They needed some of the land for the irrigation department, so there was an agreement to move the temple over to here. And then there's an old chetty that's out behind it also. So they have the place out here selling the little stuff for the blessings, and then right up here they have a little shrine for the two tigers, the Sua. And then they have the ordination hall over there. Let's go look at that now. Here's the front of the hall where you can burn some Joe sticks, and then have the Buddha under there. And they have the tiger above the door. Now there is a Chinese influence to this temple. You can see the styling and stuff has a little bit of the Chinese influence. And then a couple more of the Buddhas here. A little different look than you normally see in the temples. And then here is the main hall. I have a picture of the monk. Now I don't know if this is an active temple. I've never seen any of the monks over here. I can't remember if all of this mural stuff was done like this last time I came. You can see where it looks like they're adding some of the murals. I can't remember. I'd have to look back at the video. I did a video from here almost a year ago now, I guess. And that's in my Buddhist temple playlist if you want to see more of it. And behind the hall, here's the ruins of an ordination hall and a big chetty. And they have the top and everything. So what they did is they actually moved these ruins from another location to here, and then they put them together exactly like they were over at that other place. So it's kind of strange. It would be nice if they would have fixed it up and had kind of an old style hall here. So this is the island of Koh Kret. Alright, so now we're over here on the island of Koh Kret. So we're going to see a temple here, and then we're going to go walk over and see another temple. So Koh Kret has some old Mon-style temples. This area was settled by people from Burma that were given this land by King Taksin for their loyalty. So you'll see Mon writing and everything else on these temples. So this is Wat Chimpli Sutta Wat, or something like that. It's a small little temple, but It's quite interesting. This is south of the main pier when you first come in. And it's within walking distance to the pier. We got a Mon-style jetty over there. And then this is this hall. It's quite narrow and tall. Let's go inside and take a look at this. We only have just a couple minutes here. And then we walk over to the last temple of this little tour. So this temple here is an Ayutthaya style temple with Mon influence. And you got a monk here, he's doing out the little donations. There's the Buddha. And then it looks like there's a picture of it before it was restored and it's kind of fallen apart. So everybody's here, they're putting the money on the tree, getting the strings tied around their wrist. You can see the white shutters. There's Rama 10. And then the doors are this black lacquer with the gold. And that's usually Mon will do that. You can see how it's bowed in the middle. That's the late Ayutthaya style, where they made them look like the Chinese ships. And that's a nice look at that jetty. And then it has all these smaller ones of people that have been cremated and their ashes are here. Some of the little narrow alleys here of Koh Kret. Now we're south of where most people come, so we're down near a pier, kind of the middle of the island on the east side. So here's a kiln for some of their pottery. Koh Kret's known for the pottery that they made here. And then they have little snacks also. So today most people come over here to get these little desserts and stuff that you normally don't see anywhere in Bangkok. You can see a lot of them have converted their houses into little storefronts. And they always have these really cool looking little desserts. They do a lot of work to make these. Kind of a cool looking old shop with the wooden shutters. Got a couple cats running around. Some of the pottery for sale. 4,500, 2,500, 1,800 baht. Different prices. Yeah, they make these on the island. And then there's, across the river over there, you'll see warehouses for them and stuff also, where people buy them in bulk and then they ship them off somewhere. It's a nice little lamp. You see they made it out of the pottery. And some more here with the elephants. Yeah, that's really nice. Plates, everything else. Yeah, Koh Kret's a great place for snacks and for little souvenirs. This is a popular place for people to sit and have lunch and coffee and stuff. And when the water's up, when the tide comes up, they can have their feet in the water. And then they have little trails go that way, just windy little roads all around in here. All right, so after walking down through here, we got to our last stop. So this is the best little temple here on Koh Kret. It's famous for having the leaning little jetty. Okay, so here's inside of this hall. The main Buddha, all the murals. I got us there is flooding the world. All the window shutters that are all hand carved and painted. And then this is the place for the monks. All right, that's gonna finish up a long, long day. We started at 6 o'clock this morning and it's, I think it's 3:30 now. And it's been a long day. We've been on the boats, off the boats, all these temples, went down the little canals. We saw a bunch of stuff. I've been to a few of these temples before, and but I think 4 of the places I've been to before. The other 7 were all new, and I hadn't been down that little Klong Ong. That was a new little canal. So it was a lot of fun. So if you like this video, I'm probably gonna have to break it up into a couple different parts because it's gonna be a long video. So if you like it, make sure you click like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. This is what I do. I just go and show you things that I see and tell you a little bit about what I know. Today was hectic. They were kind of pushing everybody through this little tour. It was free, so it was the absolute best price. So, you know, they were just rushing. There was a lot of people and a lot of places to go. So it wasn't like a time where I could really spend and talk about everything. So hopefully you still enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and subscribe if you're new here. That always helps me. So until next time, from over here in Nonthaburi, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy.